What's going on, guys? It's Ash here, and today we're going to unbox Icon Pro Series tripod. It is best tripod for entry-level content creators. It can be used for both devices, for cameras and smartphones. So let's unbox it. So the package includes tripod and a carry case. Weight of this tripod is 1600 grams and it can bear up to 11 pounds of weight, and it is 3-section tripod. On the left side we got a stabilize indicator for vertically moving, and under that we also have a surface stabilizer indicator. This tripod basically provides us 4 main functions. First of all is vertical movement. The second one is horizontal move. You can move your camera 368 degrees in this function, which can be used for smooth shots. On second last, we got the portrait mode. You can make your photos with your camera or smartphone in portrait style. Minimum height of this tripod is 625 mm and maximum height is 1640 mm. Last main function is extendable header. You can extend it to the 1640 mm. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.